alarm tier list. Honestly, I think this would be something that would fit in for this. True Alerts, they're overrated. C. Same goes for all the other True Alerts. Now, honestly, yeah, I don't really like True Alerts very much. Vintage bells, we like them. I think they're cool, but they can be underrated. These pole stations, yeah, we like them very much. White 2903s, really cool. These vibratone horns, they tend to be really scratchy. Broken T-balls, I hate those. And outdoor fire alarms that are indoor. Ceiling mount vintage devices, don't like it. Older True Alerts, I prefer more than normal True Alerts. Chimes on light plates, don't really like them very much, but still cool. These things, I really like those, even though I don't have one. 702T's horn. 702T horn. All the 702T types I love. 40, 50, 80 bad flush mount. Really lucky to see those my old school had, and I think they're cool. Same goes for the steering mount. Spiegel strobe vintage fire alarms. Honestly, these things confuse me. Those two I don't really know much about, so I'll put them up there. Bad flush mount again. And the same thing here, but it's a bad flush mount. I love those things. That deserves that. Those weird LEDs things. Don't know too much. Edwards Integrities. These Spiegel strobes, underrated. Edwards Integrities. God love them. And ceiling mount, wall mount, terrible. Upside down fire alarms, terrible. I love chevrons. I think they go up there. It fits. The one and only 702T. Those things are the best. I have one and I love it. It's my favorite. It deserves S tier. Actually, it deserves something higher than S tier. Those things are amazing. Hope this helped. Sorry I haven't been posting much.
Second time today. Tornado sirens. Back on. This time they haven't stopped yet. Just got a tornado warning. Check the radar, there's no tornado, so I don't know what their problem is today. Check the radar, there's no tornado, I don't know what their problem is today. Siren's down. There's one right over there. It's mostly coming from that direction, or whatever. It's round. Be the problem. I knew it. Just knew it. Knew this was gonna happen. It just randomly became sunny. Sun's coming. For some reason it's still going. This is longer than the first time when there actually was a tornado. No one's forming so far. Don't know why they sound the sirens. Finally,